See you all later. Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I don't know, dude. It looks like a lot of paper.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Ma'am. What's better than me? What could possibly go wrong? Don't try to lie.
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Wait, this is all! Oh no! The Japanese arcade! Let's set that runaway free! Not a chance!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! They'll be right back! Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and... One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga! There's a switch.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand and